So what's up, guys? We're back. Today's Friday, May 19th. The markets are still up today. I read an article this morning that says that the Dow is, on par to have another day of gains. So that's really awesome. Looking at some of the stocks here, I can see Apple is up, so that's amazing. Applied Materials is a stock I've been wanting to buy for a long time because they make components for the iPhones. I'm pretty sure they still do, but I just haven't got into them. But look at Nvidia. They are up $3, so that is amazing. If Nvidia finishes up about $3 today, that's going to be really good for our options. Walmart, Jim Cramer was saying Walmart's going to keep going up. They had really good. Ooh, Tesla's up. Nice. But Jim Cramer was saying Walmart was going to go up because of their e-commerce numbers were really good last quarter. Ooh, AMD is up. Nice. But anyways, yeah, if these stocks can go up today, I haven't seen Amazon yet, but if Amazon is up and all these other ones are up, we're gonna have a really good day today. We can make back another nice chunk of money that we lost 2 days ago from that big sell-off. So yeah, I'm real excited. The market opens in like a half hour, so we'll come back in a half hour and see what happens. I want you guys to hear what he says about Applied Materials and Nvidia. Pretty cool.
When you see Salesforce up 3, there's a tremendous
Applied Materials right there.
That I should mention that's really important. Applied Materials, gangbuster number, and what did they say? A shortage of equipment to make artificial intelligence chips. Read through. NVIDIA will have even less competition than we think.
That's good for us.
Sure.
People sometimes they feel as though we race through them.
I know, and I tried to formulate this.
So they make the equipment that makes the chips,
right? There's
which they then sell to those that make the chips.
And this is important. This has always been a huge boom-bust business.
Dang, so Applied Materials, do we need to get in on them?
And then there's too much supply.
Right.
Applied Materials,
Applied
Materials, which is a very trustworthy company and has been for years, said something really interesting. They said this is no longer a cyclical business. Because of this, David, I'm going to hold up my phone for the camera people. Because of this, which is basically a data center, okay?
Yes,
this is creating a tremendous amount of year-long demand. So they're calling it a secular gain, which is then giving it a higher price to earnings multiple. Why? Because think about NVIDIA. It's
price to
artificial
earnings
intelligence
multiple.
chips.
Don't know what that is.
Mark Benioff stuff needs artificial intelligence chips. The autonomous car. So what they're saying is you got to stop thinking it is that we produce enough machines, it tips. Because even with Flash and DRAM, which has historically been the worst boom bust, they're seeing a lot more continuum.
Simply a lot more demand for more chips given the
Autodesk's a ton. I'm not even sure exactly what they do.
About the
autonomous car, which is going to use.
Oh my God! Too many chips are going to be 2 million chips. The OLED, that's just the light emitting diodes. They're talking about a cell phone penetration that basically says if you're Apple. If you're listening to what he said, just basically saying that everyone's going to adopt, that the 8 is going to be a super cycle was my read through that because of if they have enough OLED.
Well, we're
so,
CRM. I mean, it was
man,
a good quarter. It was really
lots of exciting information that he just talked about there. Basically, NVIDIA is going to be doing very well in the future. Apple's probably going to be doing very well in the future. This is what I got from that. And Applied Materials is going to be doing very well from the future. So we need to look into getting into Applied Materials. Their stock price is relatively cheap, which means... Sorry if this is too loud. So Applied Materials, the stock is very cheap right now compared to like some of the other stocks we're invested in, like Amazon stock is outrageous right now. Google stock's outrageous. There's a lot of stocks that's more expensive. Applied Materials is in the 40s, which means their option prices will be even cheaper than the other options we've been buying. So we need to look into getting some Applied Materials options. So yeah, the opening bell is in about 10 minutes because I actually had this on pause. So it should be opening soon. But yeah, real excited about this. Really excited. All right, here we go. That looks good. Look at all that green. Woo. That is beautiful. Oh, little red. Oh, no. Come on. There you go. Green. Man, that is pretty.
Who isn't providing artificial intelligence analytics? Who is it?
It would seem to be a growth industry.
Yes, it is, and that's because
So yeah, artificial intelligence cloud. He's saying is all growth opportunities. There's Amazon. Boom. Up $6.
Amazon was far ahead of everyone, including Google. Google's catching up. Eric Johnson, good piece in the street about that. But Everyone has
Video.
to catch Amazon to stay in business. I spent a lot of time on Walmart yesterday, and you know what? They have the money to be able to catch Amazon. It's a money issue. Nordstrom has not been able to, but it's also a tech issue.
There's
And they have to use
Amazon.
Salesforce because of this
Nice.
cloud.
So today should
They
be a
have the
good day.
They tell you.
Alright, I'm gonna go log into the account and see how we're doing.
A lot of different types of it.
Alright, one more thing I want you guys to hear because so much good stuff here.
Right. And it is a good
See-
time to be an AI researcher slash
Yeah.
data scientist.
And don't forget, when you order here and pick up, I mean, this is really still the engine, okay? Apple is the engine, and I think
That's
that
right.
you have to recognize that the Apple device allowed a lot of this to happen. I know that a lot of people feel Apple's best days are behind them. I would like to have their forward days.
All those people as the stock is
So yeah, so he's kind of basically saying, like, don't forget, guys, when people are making all these orders on retail and cloud services and Amazon, they're still using their iPhones and smartphone devices to do all that. So the phone is still really the engine that's driving all this growth. So, all right, so let's see how we're doing. All right, check it out. We are back into the 90s. Woo! That is awesome. That is awesome news. So let's see how we're doing. It looks like Apple's back up for us. We are up $2,300 so far. It's only 8:45. So Tesla hasn't moved. Amazon hasn't moved. I'm expecting Amazon to go up today. I'm expecting Tesla to go up a little bit too. I'm not sure though, but because with calls you can't always. Even if the stock goes up, doesn't mean the call will go up, because sometimes a lot of the factor that goes into the price is implied volatility. So if the volatility is still kind of low, if it's going down, then the price these option prices could stay at zero, or they could actually go down. So, but I think they're gonna go up today. I'm feeling pretty good. Nvidia is the third one on our list. Man, they just been killing it. I'm glad I didn't wait for a pullback like some people were saying on TV. They're like, oh, wait for it to drop to 120 or lower. And it didn't ever do that, and I kind of figured out what's going to happen, so I got in as soon as I could, and it's been going up since then. So that was a good decision. Sometimes you got to go with your instinct, guys. Like if you people they love to say wait for a pullback, wait for a pullback. People love to say that, and you probably even said it yourself. Even I've probably said it at some point. But if you know that company is going to be going up, and you know that it's doing really well, then just get in it. Like don't wait for a pullback. Just get in. Like don't wait. That's my theory. I don't wait for stuff to pull back usually. I just get in. Even if it's going up and it has gone up for a couple days, I still get in because I know it's going to keep going up. So and most times it's been working out for me. So yeah, that's my tip. So my phone actually ran out of storage. I had to delete some videos because I've been filming since January and I haven't deleted much anything. Listen to this though.
Big ETF, ticker XLK, has been one of the more actively traded on a relative basis ETFs out there. So a lot more people trafficking in the technology stocks. Maybe they bought on the dip as well on Wednesday. And then we'll take a look at what happens here overall.
So that's what I'm saying, guys. Invest in tech. Tech is the future. That's why I invest in technology. So let's check the market again to see how we're doing. So right now we're up 2,300. Let's see if anything updated. Okay, not yet. So still no movement yet with these guys, but yeah, like I was saying though, I invest in technology mainly because it's the future, and a lot of the stock prices go up based on future prospects. And so since you're betting on the future, technology is the future, so that's why I'm so heavily invested. If you look at all my positions, it's almost all technology. Let's refresh here. All right, Nvidia's second place right now on the stocks that we're watching. They were talking about Sprint and T-Mobile possibly trying to merge again, trying to get that ball rolling. So that's why they're up today. T-Mobile was upgraded. I don't think I even have T-Mobile on my list, but they were upgraded. Starbucks is up. AMD's doing well today. That's good. So yeah, we'll check back to see when these options move. I'll show you guys what happens with them. Dow is still up. Ooh, check this out. Talking about
racking up points with investors.
gaming stocks.
Automaker Take-Two Interactive set to report on Tuesday. So what has been
Take-Two is reporting earnings on Tuesday.
Julia Borston is here on set.
So that's pretty
with more
cool.
on that story.
Kayla, it's great to be here. So video game sales posted their second consecutive month of year-over-year increases, a turnaround
This is
after
awesome
9
news.
consecutive months of declines. Video game sales rose 10% in total last month to nearly $640 million.
That's awesome.
While the game software segment grew just 6% in the month, The rise was thanks to a 37% increase in hardware sales.
Wow.
That was led by Nintendo's popular new Switch console, which
I still want to get this so bad. Oh my
280,000
gosh, I want to play that
units
game
last
so
month.
bad.
Nintendo also
Just don't have any money.
games. Mario Kart 8 Deluxe
Oh,
was
that
the
game looks so
top-selling
cool.
with nearly 500,000 units sold in the month. This all helping send Netflix shares up more than 30%.
Do any of you guys
so far
have the
this year,
Switch? I don't
and
probably
up
asked you guys before, but if you
84%
do,
over the past
comment below.
12 months. Now investors are looking towards Take-Two's earnings on Tuesday. The
Yeah.
company is expected to benefit from Grand Theft Auto Online and other recurring digital
I did not know that they
revenue
made
streams
that.
as
See, I don't really know
traditional
much about the gaming
games
industry because I
slow,
don't
which is
play
why
video
it's
games
been
as
betting
much.
more on free mobile
But I wish I had more time to
Two
do
biggest
that.
game makers, Activision and EA, are both also ramping up
Aw,
their
man.
mobile gaming businesses.
They're down today.
The
Shoot.
competition there is tougher than ever, but certainly a fun category to watch. And we have E3, which is the big video game competition convention with some competitions there as well coming up in June.
That'd be awesome to go
Julia,
to.
Thank you. Julie Morrison.
Really cool, exciting
This
news.
weekend,
Hopefully
then,
Take-Two has good earnings. That would be amazing.
Well done.
All right, so it's 2:20 and we are dropping a little bit more. Not real happy about this. So our high today was around $4,000 being up, and now we're down to 2,000. So we lost about half from our high, but overall, still, I mean, if we could finish in the green today, I'll still be happy. I don't care how much. Prefer to be up at least this much, but so we got 40 minutes left. I'm just hoping we can hang on. Just crossing my fingers that we can hang on to this gain. All right, what's up, guys? So it is 4:23 p.m. I just had to tutor a student, so I just got back. And man, we did not finish as strong as we thought. So we're trying to hang on to a $2,000 gain, but it just kept dropping at the end. So let me show you guys what we did. We have $972 that we made, so I'm happy with that. I mean, it's a gain. A gain is a gain. I'll take it wherever I can. It just kind of sucks because we were up $4,000 at one point, so kind of sucks that we dropped a little bit. But at the same time, that's still a pretty decent day. Definitely not complaining about that. So we were in the 90s again, but then we kind of dropped a little bit. So we finished the day at just shy of 90,000, but I'm totally okay with that. In terms of the stocks that we had, Apple that was like doing really well for us, and then they kind of dropped. So we made very little money on them today. The actual stock only went up 52 cents, but the option made 195 for us. Nvidia and Take-Two Interactive did the best. Not much other movement going on besides that, actually. And then the ones that lost money, Tesla and Amazon, which were up for us earlier today, finished the day in the red. So that kind of sucks. So let's look at the percentages to see who did the best for us. Looks like Ambarella was our best gainer today, percentage-wise, so they performed the best. They had 34% gain today, which is really awesome. NVIDIA was in second place with 20% gain. And then Hemp HQ, which is Hemp Americana, they're just a stock that we own. They had 18% gain today. And then following behind them, closely behind them, we have Take-Two Interactive and Activision. So the two gaming stocks that we got into with the options, they performed 11% and 10%. So very good day for them. And the Apple call that we sold, even though Apple went up today, the price of the option went down, probably because of a decrease in volatility, is my guess. And so they actually dropped 50% today. So that was really bad for whoever bought that option from me. But it was good for us, because if we were to buy it back, we'd be spending less money than we sold it for. So there you go. That's how that works. Yeah, so there's quite a bit of stuff going on in the news. I showed some stuff earlier, but nothing crazy, nothing that I haven't talked about already. Take-Two is reporting their earnings next week, so that's pretty cool. There's some other companies that had some decent earnings recently, but NVIDIA is definitely was the talk of today. They're just talking about the chips and how heavily they're invested in AI and how that's going to be the future. So that is going to be a really big thing to look out for in the future, is NVIDIA, to see how they do. They should have some very good months coming up. And then here's the other pages if you want to have a look. We had 3-4 pages of gains today, so the market definitely came back. And here you can see the Dow finished up 142 points, so that was amazing. The fifth page is finally when we see the stocks that started losing money. So and here's an example where Take-Two went down, but the volatility might have been increasing or something, which caused the options price to go up. So that's a good example of how that happens. And then I only have one stock on my 6th page, that's TerraTech. That's the marijuana company. So they did the worst day. But overall, pretty solid day for the market. Not the best day for us, but hey, I'll take it. So hope you guys liked this video. Today was Friday, so that was the last day of the week. I don't know if we finished up or not. Pretty sure we finished down after that ridiculous loss on Wednesday. But it's okay because we're still doing very well for the year, so I'm not too worried. I think we're going to be okay. Hopefully next week the market will continue to kind of bounce back and we'll see some more gains from everything else. And hopefully we can hit that 100K mark because we're so close. We got so close last week, or earlier this week on Tuesday. We got over 99,000 and then fell right back. And so I'm really hoping we can hit that number next week. At any point in time, I'll be happy with that. So yeah, other than that, hope you guys had a fantastic week. Please like the video if you liked it. Hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And share with some friends if they're getting into investing and you guys want to kind of get into it together and just talk investing general stuff. I think you guys can learn a lot from this channel if you guys are if this is the first video you've seen. Watch some prior videos too if you haven't seen them, because I talk about stuff in a lot of different videos. So you can always learn something along the way, no matter what part of the journey you're actually watching, because we're at 4 months in at this point. But you can go to any one of the videos up until now and you can take away a lot of good stuff from that. Alright, so hope you guys had a fantastic week again, and hope you guys have a great weekend. We will be back at it on Monday, so we will see you then.